Mis diálogos, si oficialmente Stephanie Gutierrez no va a participar en el Miss Grand All Stars, ya esto está más que confirmado y qué locura lo que está aconteciendo con todo esto. Y bueno, ya Venezuela está buscando a su nueva representante rumbo a esta edición especial y todo parece indicar que podría ser Ileana Márquez Pedrosa, dicho por ella misma. Recordemos que ya fue top 5 del Miss Universo 2024. Nahual le dio un ultimátum a Stephanie de 2 días y ya se venció el plazo. Stephanie lamentablemente no va a participar por todos estos problemas familiares que tiene encima. La llevaron a que llegar a este punto en el que ya no va a participar. Es lamentable porque Stephanie, mi amor, en Tailandia es un fenómeno, esta mujer que marcó un presente gigante. Pero mis amores,
Well guys, today officially marks day 2 of Papa Nawat giving Stephanie Gutierrez from Venezuela the ultimate ultimatum. Yesterday Papa Nawat was live and he did confirm that him and his team have not been able to get a hold of Stephanie Gutierrez for the past 2 weeks.
So mga kapolitika, meron po tayong breaking news ngayong araw dahil official na po ang confirmation ng pag-back out or pag-exit ni Miss Universe 2018 from Venezuela na si Stephanie Gutierrez dahil na-report po natin at natalakay natin doon sa ating mga naunang video yung attempt na kung saan ay nag-lost communication na siya dito sa MGI organization for the past 2 weeks. At ngayon ay binasag na nga ni Stephanie Gutierrez ang mga rumors na siya ay magwa-back out or hindi nasasali ng tuluyan dito sa MGI All-Stars. So report ito at kumakalat ngayon dito sa social media. Stephanie Gutierrez from Venezuela is no longer part of the upcoming MGI All-Star First Edition after she made her decisions to withdraw her participation in the competition. Read the full statement. With deep sadness and after careful reflection on my personal circumstances, I have made the difficult decision to withdraw from the first edition of Miss Grand All-Stars. This has been a deeply consideration decision based on my personal and family responsibilities, which at this moment require my full attention and dedication. This was not an easy decision. Representing Venezuela has been one of the greatest honors of my life, and my love for Miss Grand International. For everything this organization stands for and for the community it has built around the world remains unchanged. To the Miss Grand International family, thank you for the opportunity, for your patience, and for your unwavering commitment to excellence. It is precisely because of the standard this organization upholds that I want to ensure Venezuela is represented by someone who can give this competition everything it deserves fully and without limitation. To my fans and to the pageant community and to every single person who has shown me love and support throughout this journey, your warmth means everything to me. I have full confidence that Venezuela will be brilliantly represented, and I will be cheering with pride from wherever life has me in that moment. My dream of being part of All Stars has not faded. I hope to have the opportunity to make it a reality in a future edition. With gratitude and love, always, Stephanie Gutierrez. So ito mga kapolitika yung mga kumakalat ngayon dito sa actually ito ay pinakalat na ng mga influencers at mga vloggers dito sa social media. Itong confirmation na itong si Stephanie Gutierrez ay hindi na makasali dito sa MGI All-Stars First Edition dahil sa kanyang mga personal na concern or issues. So hindi rin natin siya ma-blame, baka meron siya mga family problem. So mas unahin niya yung kanyang pamilya kasi paano naman kung nagko-compete siya doon sa MGI All-Stars pero yung isipan niya ay doon sa kanyang pamilya. So priority first. Okay, at naintindihan po natin ang reason ni Stephanie Gutierrez at sabi ko nga doon sa ating mga naunang video ay marami pang ibala at imamanok itong Venezuela na very competitive rin naman dito dahil nga sila ay isang powerhouse na bansa. So anytime is marami silang mabunot at napag-alaman nga natin doon sa mga naunang video ni Nawat na itong si Stephanie Gutierrez ay personal na nag-apply dito sa MGI All-Stars. Walang sino man na nag-convince sa kanya na sumali dito sa MGI All-Stars kundi personal applicant itong si Stephanie Gutierrez or walang any director, national director na nag-convince sa kanya or naglakad ng kanyang application dito sa MGI All-Stars. So dahil dito sa pag-back out ni Stephanie Gutierrez ay maugo ngayon na baka i-replace siya nitong Miss Universe 2024 na mula pa rin sa Venezuela itong si Iliana Marquez. At sa ating napag-alaman is I believe meron na ring pamilya at meron ng anak itong si Iliana Marquez. So marahil ay baka siya or ito di umanong si Dudamel yung Miss Universe na mula rin sa Venezuela at naging first runner-up. So baka siya daw yung i-substitute. So either sa dalawa lang daw yung magiging maging representative ng Venezuela dito sa kauna-unahang MJ All-Stars. So nag-usap na rin po pala at nagkita itong si Nawat at si Gazini Ganados dito sa MUPH 2026 nitong mga nakarang araw. Nag-meet sila doon sa venue mismo ng Grand Finals ng Miss Universe Philippines. So abangan natin mga kapultiya kung sino yung official na ipapadala ng Venezuela sa MJ All-Stars 2026. Dahil kung mababawasan ang mga tinik dito sa maging competition ay advantage ito dito kay Gazini Ganados. Okay, so yun po ang ating pinaka-latest ngayon na update dito sa pag-back out ni Stephanie Gutierrez na official confirmation na ng kanyang pag-visit dito sa nasabing competition. Ano po mga kapolitika ang inyong masasabi dito sa balitang ito? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
皮带会吹整个保利。ไปทางไหนเอาไปไหม Yes พี่เต๋าพี่เต๋าอยู่ไหนไม่พี่เต๋าอยู่ไหนไม่รู้รอนี่ก่อนไหม Just wait เขาถามอ่ะ Emma miss you Emma for BM family
You can watch Layo now.
Yes
เอาชาไทยให้ชิม
ชาไทยอ่ะ
ลาบูไม่มีลาก่อนดีค่ะลาบูไม่ลาบู
Hope you get your letter belong to your name Hope you get that กระเป๋าอีกอันหนึ่งคือเก็บมาใส่ของใช่ไหม Emma No out You can call me Yes Emma Emma everyone in live always comment Emma เลยขนาดนั้นมั้ง
Emma ช้ามาก
Emma ช้ามาก
Emma ช้ามากแม่
Yeah welcome back to Thailand
Emma โฮกันด้า
Emma โฮกัน
You
ด้า
ready tomorrow?
Yes Oh no 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 เป่าตัง Emma เป่าตัง I want to buy a ticket
Oh we have tickets
No I pay for another one but
We buy.
we buy
We buy So hot โอ้เข้าไหมล่ะก็บอกว่า
Yeah ไม่นี่
New Hair โดนแซว And new name มาม่าคัสเซีย
Ask her if they will do live โอ้ Thai music Yes Thai music
นอนซุกฮีนอนซุกฮีเขาพูดถูกฮีไม่เราพูดชัดมากเลยนะไว้นอนซุกฮีนอนซุกฮี
Tell Emma she do live with God Chabel If she live you will buy the ticket right Back to her show โอเค
ตรงไหนเดินเข้าไปรับ พี่เต๋า
ไปรับพี่เต๋าแทน
อินไซด์เหรอเซเว่น
โกโอเค
MJ ค่ะ
MGI ค่ะ
MJ ค่ะ yes เกตโฟ